Hi, this is my actual bike. Unlike the bike from my last video, it'll be in the description below. Yeah, well, this one, I don't know a lot about this bike because I actually got it from my stepdad, which doesn't know a lot about bicycles. I'm not sure what type of hubs they are, but it's a 9-tooth driver, 24-tooth sprocket, 3-piece crankset. Tires are actually from another bike because I blew my other ones. I got racing handlebars with, not sure what time grips these are, but still. And I got stem. It is a Nico, I'm not sure what it is or whatever. It's not finished yet. I'm most likely going to buy me a new bike. Probably one of the new Sub Rosas. Yeah, it's a nice bike. It was going to be.
Like and subscribe. Yoo-hoo!